Hello there again. We are back again, and we have our third lesson. Okay, number 3 lesson, and we would like to see how can this triangular form, 3D triangular form, can help us create drawings. Okay, so here you can see a tent. Maybe this one is a chocolate. Okay, looks like chocolate, and then the roof, and then empty cylinder. Oh no, not cylinder, is a triangular thing looking this way, going upside down. Okay, so we'll try to do this using our number 3 worksheet. Okay, number 3 worksheets. Now in this worksheet you will notice what will you notice here again? What do we call this? This is the guideline. Okay, now for this guideline we have 2 squares. Okay, just notice that this is one square and another square overlapping the first square. Okay, and then once we have established that one, we have the dots. Okay, and then we'll just connect the dots and we will see the form into like this. Okay, now when doing this form, especially the guideline, I want you to take note of this. Okay, so these 2 vertical lines and these 2 horizontal lines. Okay, so that will be our first lines, and that would give us the clue on where to go next. Okay, so take note, we do this 1 and 2 vertical line, then the next 2 is 2 horizontal line there and that, and then we can just form the reversed L here and the letter L here, so we'll have this. Okay, again we have 2, 1, 2, and then we have 1, 2. Now we will try that here. Okay, so let's try that on this using our H4 pencil. Okay, so it's that 1, okay, 2, then somewhere in the middle say 1, 2, and then we can connect this until they are almost the same there, and then one here. Looking at the distance here, we might get it from here and then go here, so we have this. Okay, then we put the dots, one in the middle, the very top, and on the second one it will be on the first crossing here, and then here below, and one at the bottom, at the end, and 2 at the bottom here. Okay, then we'll connect these dots like this, like so, like so, like so, and like so. Okay, and under down there. Now you want to connect this, is fine, and then you connect that one, is fine. That would look like see-through 3D triangle. Okay, so you see that one. Now we'll do the final, so we'll do again. Okay, go up a little bit. Okay, so 1 and then 2, then we have 1 and then 2, and then we get the distance from here and estimate, and then go, and then take the note of the distance from here, we go, and then 1 here, we take again the distance from here and we go this way, just estimate is fine. And there. Now we will again put the dot, one here, one here, one here, there, here, and here. Okay, so you may want to go this by line like this, horizontal line. So we have one there, and then another one here on the second line, then another one, not two here on the third horizontal line, and two on the fourth. Or if you want to go this way, first vertical, one, second vertical, two, third vertical, and the fourth vertical. Okay, so it's up to you. Where do you want to go, this way or that way? It's up to you. Then we have to connect, and this time we want it really nice and clean line, and there. Okay, you may want to go there, but I think it's okay. So we can erase the guideline. Okay, clean the mess. Okay, so we just have the 3D. Okay, so that will be balanced. Okay, so that's how it is. You will see, and then we will go to our test paper. Okay, so are we ready? So we now go for our test if we can apply the principles. Okay, what are the principles that we are trying to apply? This, okay, to make this, okay, so that we can make this. Okay, now let's try. Okay, so we have, again, this must be larger than this one, so we're looking at this big and two here. Okay, so let's try. We have 1 and 2. Now just ignore the square there. Okay, and then we go here and here, and then we have one here, somewhere here, and then they will go down somewhere here, almost near the line. And then we have 1, 2 somewhere here, and then it will go this way. Okay, so we have here. Now you may get confused, but you'll see it this way, like here, 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 here. Okay, there's one more there. Then we'll use this one. 1, 2, 3, straight line like so, and boom. So we have our 3D triangle shape. Okay, so what do you think we can do with this? Okay, let's try the roof. Okay, let's try the roof. So we can have a roof like this. Okay, a roof like that. Maybe we can push this a little bit further, so we have that, and we can put a sort of a window there. Okay, sort of a window there. And this one you can have like the tiles. Yeah, you can put tiles like this, and put in between like this. Yeah, So when you see this form anywhere, you already know how to do by following the principle. Okay, so I hope this really help you draw. And of course you will know already what's below this, and because this is a small house, then this one goes parallel with that one. Okay, so we just start from here. Okay, and we can put a small window there and small door. Okay, and we can shade. Okay, so this is where this is applied there. Okay, so that's the application for this principle. Okay, now I want you to challenge yourself and create more of like this. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Again, remember those orange, those are how the guidelines were applied. Okay, so thank you and see you again for the next lesson. Everybody can draw.